Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and this video will show you these two Copeland Spodes Blue Italian dinner and dessert plates. Mid-century pieces. I'll show you the china marks on both of these in a minute. So not the later production Spode. These do date from 1940s, 50s and 60s. This is the 10.25 inch version. Just want to show you the condition of the glaze on there. Look at that, considering this is a sort of 1950s, 1960s at the latest piece of Spode's china. I don't think it's been used. I think this is as near mint condition as you're going to find. Spode's Blue Italian, classic design, really well covering decoration. And this one with the little irregular rolling scallop rims round the outside is a fine example of that. Let me show you the Copeland Spode's Italian England marks on there. No date stamps on this. Quite often the very early pieces would have had a date impress mark, but this is just marked E3. Don't know the significance of that in terms of its dating, but in fine condition and a great example of a 10.25 inch dinner plate. Now they did make these in 10.5 and 9.75 inch, so do check the widest diameter on the plates if you're looking to increase an existing service. Now this, again, Copeland Spode's Italian, same sort of date range on the same marks. This one has got the Copeland's crown impress marks. I don't know whether you can make the crown out. It's not particularly deeply impressed. Can you just see the sort of rounded crown in the middle of the Copeland impress marks? Again, no date stamp on this that we can discern to get an exact date. Quite often the early pieces had a month and a year impressed into them, but these later sort of mid-century pieces, it's the antique ones going back to sort of turn of the century 1900s through to around 1920 that had the date impresses. Again, really nice condition to look at that. Not absolutely as clean as the 10.25 dinner plate. This one has had a little bit of light use, just with an occasional knife mark on it, but again a very clean example and a nice mid-century. Rare size this, 9 inch, they're quite difficult to find. 9.5, 10 inch, not a problem, and it is a good size bigger than the standard side plates that are far commoner, but the salad plates or dessert plates at 9 inches, they didn't make in the same volume or quantities as the other diameters, so somebody somewhere will be looking, or has been looking for a long time to find that. Both available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website. We're going to pop individual links taking you to two individual listings. They're available singly on the website here in the UK. And if you are looking for Copeland Spode's Italian pieces, then do have a browse through the website. We've got quite a bit on catalogue currently. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.